All right, in this demonstration, we're going to show you how to create or actually find a photo. So what I've done in the last demo is I found an ESPN magazine here, and I'm going to use that as kind of a template to create mine, or at least something like it. This one happens to be football, but I'm going to go ahead and create, I'll show you, this is the end result. So this is a wrestling one. It's nowhere near finished, but I just wanted to show you a quick layout format. So again, we've got this ESPN magazine. So the tutorial here is about finding a photo. So I'm going to whip through a bunch of different things. So because I chose wrestling as a topic, what I did was I just did a Google search for wrestling. And you see you've got a lot of subtitles and things like that, or a lot of subheadings. So I just started looking around, and I want to show you a couple things. So what you find is important, but looking at very specific information. So when I mouse over here, you see it says 4 days ago. Watch how that changes. It's 1440 by 810. Basically what that does is it tells me the resolution. The higher the numbers, the better the resolution, so you don't get a grainy picture. It's just like HD TV, high definition television. But there's a really cool setting. If you go up to tools here when you're searching for somebody, you can, or searching for a picture, you can go to size, and you can drop this down and find large size. And let me see where we're at here. There we go. You can have larger than a certain amount. So I like to go with larger than 1024 by 768, and that's going to give me a whole bunch of options. Now, one thing about photos that you want to look for is you want to look for what we call portrait. Portrait is where we have them vertically oriented. A lot of these are horizontal, which are portrait. So it's difficult sometimes to find those. If we scroll back up here, let's see if we have type, photo. Let's see if there's more tools here. Show sizes. Okay, we've already done that. So there's a lot of tools that you can use. Basically what I've done is I just kept looking, and I found this guy right here. Now I have a blank document that's put up here, that's pulled up, so we're just going to grab something real quick. Let's say I want to make this guy into a magazine cover. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and click that, and I'm imagining a magazine cover kind of around these guys right here. Nice vertical shot. Okay, so I'm going to right mouse click, I'm going to copy the image with the left mouse click, and I'm going to go here and I'm going to dump it right in. Now, one thing, if you right click and paste, it's going to tell you that these actions are not available, that you have to use the keyboard shortcuts. So Control V is paste. So I'm going to go Control V on my shortcuts, and it's uploading, and it should in just a few seconds pop up with that. Alright, so I'm going to bring it up here, and I'm going to blow this way up just like so. Now, the one thing about this program that I haven't figured out quite how to deal with is how we go off of the page here and it disappears. It's not the end of the world, but it certainly is something that's a little irritating. But anyway, we'll deal with it. So you can see that I've got this inside my blue margin lines. If I zoom back in here, you see these blue margin lines. I want to crop that. So cropping is right-click. I'm going to go to Crop Image, and I'm going to bring that into, whoops, I didn't want to do that. There we go. I'm going to bring that inside that line, at least the best I can here. Let's see here. Sometimes this works good. Oh, I know what's happening. I need to unlock these constraints. So if I unlock that guy and unlock mark position and size, yeah, I know what I'm doing. Let's see here. Hit enter. And let's see here. Right click and crop again. Yeah, I know what I'm doing. Okay. Let's move this guy over. There we go. I want to unlock these, and then that should, not working right for me. So I want to make it so I have these crops. Let's see, hit enter. Yeah, see, that's not it. Control Z is undo. Control Z is undo. So you just play around with it, and you're going to get what you need as far as having that, filling that area. So this is pretty cool here. I'm going to leave this unsaved for now. Of course, you would save it. I'm going to preview it. And when I hit preview, that's what it's going to look like. Now, I don't like this white area at the top, so I'm going to go ahead and hit escape, and I'm going to go ahead and take care of that. Now, that would be just basically taking it, whoops, like that, move it around. Again, we'll preview it, see what that looks like. That looks pretty darn good. Now, we are going to want a border out of it typically, but we'll deal with that when we get to the printing area or the printing part. This looks pretty good for now, but typically you want whatever is going to be in your magazine cover right in this area surrounded by the blue box. So that's what we're looking for. That's how you get a picture in here. Again, back to my example, and what we're looking to build in the future videos is masthead and then what we call cover lines. But that's it for this video, which is about finding and getting a photo into your magazine project.